You've likely seen tons of guided machine learning projects on YouTube, but please stop following these. You don't want to be a TensorFlow Timmy, which is my term for ML beginners that are just copying online tutorials without actually understanding what's going on. If you're in this stage, don't worry because a few years ago I was in that spot too. I'm going to give you a step-by-step plan to actually master machine learning. And don't worry, I won't just tell you to read a bunch of research papers and try to code them up. When I was starting out, I found papers really difficult to read. If you've experienced that before, then the plan I'm about to go over is for you. First, you want to master the fundamentals, like gradient descent, the algorithm for training almost every ML model. While you're reviewing the fundamentals, I actually recommend learning PyTorch as soon as possible. It's the single most important library for modern machine learning models, and becoming familiar with PyTorch will pay off when we get to step 2 of this plan. If you're looking for an exact breakdown of which concepts are fundamental to master, I have a video covering this linked in the description. On to step 2. After mastering the basics like gradient descent and learning PyTorch, you're well equipped to start implementing research papers. Machine learning researchers will usually describe the model they've developed in words, and I want you to try your best to translate the concepts into code. There is no other project that will deepen your understanding as much as this one. If you're looking for the must-read ML papers, apart from ones like Attention is All You Need, which you may have already heard about, I have a video covering this linked in the description. Lastly, there are 2 more advanced projects that I recommend. However, it is essential that you master the fundamentals that we talked about earlier before you jump into these 2 projects. You could technically jump into them without much background experience, but I don't recommend that. Here's why. You'll be using libraries that cover up some of what's really going on with the models. Don't get me wrong, abstraction is a good thing, but when you're starting out, getting your hands dirty is essential. Here they are. The first is fine-tuning an open source LLM like Llama. You can pick an interesting dataset like competition math problems and just get started. You won't need to buy a GPU either, thanks to the Q-LoRa technique, which is actually one of the papers I cover in the video mentioned earlier. Second, hack together a basic RAG workflow. Choose a PDF from your computer that would be fun to talk to. With libraries like LangChain and ChromaDB, you can talk back and forth with the PDF, which makes for a fun side project. Lastly, if you're looking for free daily advice on your ML journey, don't forget to sign up for GPT Insiders. Over 10,000 students enjoy the daily insights in machine learning resources. GPT Insiders may not always be free, so be sure to sign up at the link in the description as soon as possible. I'll be sharing my thoughts on ML interviews, my step-by-step playbook to learn ML, and even my thoughts on the AI bubble. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you soon.